Zoisha. Hi guys. So today is March. Today is March the 3rd. And I'm super excited. So guys, my long distance relationship is officially coming to an end. Oh my god, so many mixed emotions, you guys. But yes, Joelle will be coming to Canada very friggin' soon. Oh my freaking god, you guys don't even understand how long we have been waiting for this moment. So yeah, Joelle's coming to Canada. Joelle's coming to Canada. Like he's coming to Canada. So let me give you guys a quick little rundown. We're definitely gonna go into depth more in regards to like when, you know, he gets here and like we actually like sit down and talk more about like the process and everything like that. But basically I put the paperwork in October 12th. I mailed them off. They reached their destination October 18th. All right guys, so it's official. It's October the 12th and I'm about to go put in Babe's application. I'm so nervous. Literally, you guys, our whole life story is in here. Oh my god, I hope whoever gets our application just feels the love off the pages. The post office closes in about 30 minutes. So I'm running over there right now to go put it in because we cannot make today pass and it does not go in, and it's also Sade's birthday, so she will be my good luck charm, or our good luck charm. Oh god, okay, I don't want to talk too much, you guys. I just want to hurry up and bring this thing in so that I can sleep better at night knowing that this damn thing is in and I ain't gotta worry about it no more. So Jesus, I need a mask. Okay, let me do what I gotta do. All right, so it's gonna be, I guess, sent off tomorrow. Yes. Okay. All right, perfect. Thank you. Oh my god, you guys. I feel like I'm not supposed to leave the store. Like, I don't know, but that's it. Oh my god. Anyways, guys, that's done. So I'll keep in touch with you guys and see. OMG, my husband is coming to Canada. I'm so excited now. Jeez. I didn't hear anything from them in November, didn't hear anything from them in December. When I was in Jamaica, before I left, I got an email from them, just basically acknowledging that they received the application and everything like that. And then in February, Joel called me one morning and he got the email requesting for him to go and do his medical. So he went and did his medical, I think about 2 weeks ago now. And so that's gone in and we're just kind of now like just waiting. When I call when I call my immigration office here in Canada, they can't provide me with any information because basically my part is done. They did whatever they needed to check for me, so my part is done. Everything now is in Kingston. So if Joel wants any updates or anything like that, he either has to create a profile online or contact the Canadian embassy over there. So yeah, so basically now, like, I'm just getting ready for him. Like, I'm basically trying to just do like all the home renovations and stuff that I can do just to kind of get ready for him. So in my room is gonna be like probably like the biggest one, just because I have to make space. Like, I am about to live with a man again. He's about to be in my space 24/7. And like, I'm just like, oh my God, like, I know I had a taste of it, but I'm just like, this is real, like, now, like, you know what I mean? Like, he's about to come here, and I want to make sure that like the experience for him is amazing. So I gotta make space, I gotta divide everything down in half, make sure he has his place where he can put his stuff and all of that kind of stuff. So that's basically what I'm about to do every day now. I'm kind of just coming in, kind of reorganizing things, as I said, again, making space, which is kind of good as well, because I can kind of get rid of stuff that I don't necessarily need. But y'all, this journey, would I do it again? Yes, only because I know what the outcome is gonna be. But if I had to choose, man, I would find somebody that's in the same country as me, or closer to where maybe driving is possible. There isn't so many stipulations preventing people from traveling to other countries and all these processes and all that stuff. Like, yeah, but I'm so happy that it's finally coming to an end, and I can't wait till we get the email or call, whatever it is that comes next, that basically says, all right, come pick up your stuff, like, you're ready to go, like, you know what I mean? Joel says, like, listen, babe, if we go pick up my passport Monday, Tuesday, oh my God, like, I'm just like, babe, you don't want to take like a week, 2 weeks, a month to get your stuff? He's like, no. What me always want? He's like, I'm ready to start life, brother. I'm ready to come. So, yo, I don't even know, like, I'm just thinking about like the drive to the airport, like him being here like the first night. Like, you guys, I'm thinking about everything, like the first morning when he wakes up, like, I can't believe that this is about to happen, because like, as much as I'm married, I don't feel married because my spouse is not with me all the time, like majority of the time. You know what I mean? Being on the phone is one thing, but like in person, like, I need my person. So y'all, like, the vlogs, everything is just about to be so different. Oh my God, I can't contain it. I've had time to process it, so that's why there's not so much like excitement like if I had recorded, which was my initial plan. But like, bro, life just happens, and it's just like, bro, when we got the email for the medical, I look upon the doctor them, sent him the list. Joel made his calls. He had 2 appointments just in case anything. And yeah, so I don't know, but I think right now was the perfect time to do it, just because Canada wants people, and with COVID and everything is online, so everything is just moving a lot faster. And I was really keen on the application and making sure that I had everything, making sure all the pages were in order. I gave them more than they asked for, just so that they couldn't ask for anything. Like, if they were even thinking about asking for anything, they could just look in the application and pull up extras, like, you know what I mean? So I was just nervous in the beginning, because I was like, yo, I don't know if I'm gonna be eligible, and I don't know why, but everyone was just like, what are you talking about? When I would say today, they would be like, girl, you're born out of the country, like, why would they turn you down? Like, you know what I mean? She was like, if anything, like, you're overqualified. All of my friends were saying the same thing. They're just like, girl, what the hell are you nervous about? And I'm like, I don't know, but it's a big deal. Like, you're sponsoring somebody, and I don't think people take in the gravity of what you are, like what a person has to do to bring another person to their country. Like, it's a big deal, it's a lot. So yeah, to anybody out there in the situation, like, you know what I mean, like, let me tell you something, don't even rush it. Don't even rush it. Don't listen to people. So many people were like, oh, she not file for her man, like, oh, if she wanted him here, he would be here already. People don't know your story. People don't know what's going on in your lives. People don't know anything. So don't make anybody force you to feel like you have to do something or anything like that. Like, when it's your time, it's your time. And nothing happens before it's time. It's crazy because Joel, I think it was back in 2019, we had applied for a visitor visa and he got denied. And it's crazy because we both had visions of Joel coming to Canada. Like, I seen Joel in my house. I've seen Joel in my bed. I've seen Joel, like, show me a picture or video call me and him being on the plane. Like, I've seen me going to pick him up. But little did we know, a few years later we'd be married and applying for a spousal visa instead of just a visitor visa. And that's what we were actually envisioning. So it's crazy how everything just came full circle, and like things that we were worried about, like we had no reason worrying about, and now like we're just like, whoa, like this is all happening like so freaking fast. Like, this is what we want, but it's kind of like, whoa, oh my god, like all of this is happening so fast. Like, bro, you're about to leave the country of your birth, where you spent all of your life, majority of your life right now, to come to another country with a woman you just met a few years ago, who's now your wife. And this is where you guys are about to start a life. We might not stay here forever or whatever. We don't know what will happen in the future. We have our plans and ideas and whatever, but who knows what can happen. But for now, we know this is where Joel's gonna be 24/7, you guys. Like, when I pull up my vlogs, Joel is going to be in them. I'm just so looking forward to it. Like, I'm looking forward to it. I'm so happy I don't have to spend holidays, birthdays alone anymore. Like, I don't know, I just, even for Joel, because I just know like he's wanted a change of environment for a very long time, because there's just a lot going on with him in regards to where he's at. So I know this for him is going to be like life-changing in so many ways, and I'm so excited for him, and I'm so happy for him, and he deserves it. Like, if there's anybody in life that deserves an opportunity for the betterment of themselves, it's Joel. Like, trust me, it's Joel. And I pray to God everything that he aspires to have, own, be, he achieves. Like, I hope so, and I will support him in every single thing and push him to make sure that he strives to be the best that he can be. Because you guys, that man, all he needs is an opportunity. That's all that he needs. So I'm excited, super freaking excited. Like, I cannot fucking believe my husband is coming. Like, I can't believe it. Are y'all ready? Like, are you guys ready? We're about to be a whole couple like channel, like in a few. Speaking of which, I think I'm still gonna keep my channel, but I know Joel has been dying to start a couple channel. I think I'm gonna let him have like more control over that channel. But let me know what you guys think. I don't feel like I want to mix the two over here, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like I want to still have my space where I can come and just do what I do, and then yeah, we can have our couple channel where we do what we do and stuff like that. So stay tuned for all of that stuff, you guys. But I just can't believe it. Like, it's March right now. I feel like, I don't know, I feel on my spirits that by like April, May, Joel will be here. And it's funny because last year Thanksgiving, I was just like, yo, next year Thanksgiving, Joel, you have to be here. Because he was on the phone with me when I was cooking and everything, and he was just like, bro, I wish I was there or whatever. And I'm just like, you know, soon. And so said so done next year. This year Thanksgiving, I mean, no same I go there stuff for Thanksgiving this year. And then Christmas Christmas. Like, can't go nowhere this Christmas because I have to spend Christmas, first Christmas in Canada, snow and everything. He's been dying to experience snow. Joel hasn't gone anywhere where he can experience snow. Before I met him, he was planning on moving to England. Then I met him, so obviously that wasn't gonna happen no more. So he would have experienced snow there, but he's been to Florida and other parts of the Caribbean, but there's no snow there, so he's never experienced snow. So it's gonna be a great first year in terms of like experiences and him just adjusting and stuff like that. So this should be really interesting. Should be really, really interesting. Again, I just hope he enjoys the experience, his new home. But yeah, that's what's happening, guys. Can't fucking believe it, bruh. If you had asked me even 5 years ago, 5 years ago was what? 21, 2019, 18, 17. If you had asked me in 2017 if I would have, 1, A, been married, 2, been in a long distance relationship, and 3, thought about filing for somebody from Jamaica, I'm probably gonna tell you about the clot. God no. God no, cause me, I was like, bro, I'm never gonna be in that position to ever file for no boy from Jamaica. You're crazy. Look at me now. I am crazy. But married to 154. And all of them something there. Yo, man. Yo, it's crazy. I honestly never thought I would have been here ever in life. Never in life. Nobody could have ever tell me say this is my life would have come to. Nobody. But I love you here. I'm super excited, y'all. Super freaking excited. Yeah. Anyways, people, I saw 9 o'clock. If I'm not 9, yeah, 3 minutes to 9. I'm gonna start cleaning out my drawers and start organizing my life. So yeah, just wanted to let y'all know. And I'll talk to you guys another time when there's more updates. Next one hopefully is me coming to tell y'all I'm picking them up. Maybe hopefully next week. That would be crazy.